In this video we are going to talk about the best cast iron skillet in this year, which is Le Creuset enameled cast iron signature iron handle skillet. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The enameled cast iron signature skillet is a versatile kitchen essential for searing, sautéing, stir-frying and more. The interior surface is finished with a black satin enamel that eliminates the need for the traditional seasoning and maintenance of raw cast iron. Specially formulated for higher surface temperature cooking, the enamel develops a natural patina over time, making it virtually non-stick and easy to clean. Individually crafted by French artisans from the finest quality materials since 1925, Le Creuset enameled cast iron cookware is beloved for its perfected design and exceptional heat retention that produces superior results from stove to oven to table. Designed for generations of durability, the porcelain enamel requires no seasoning, minimizes sticking, and is dishwasher safe. The enameled cast iron signature square skillet grill brings the delicious flavor of outdoor grilling conveniently indoors. The interior surface is finished with a black satin enamel that eliminates the need for the traditional seasoning and maintenance of raw cast iron. Specially formulated for higher surface temperature cooking, the enamel develops a natural patina over time that is ideal for searing. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.